to be GMNI. This one was picked by Mac at 001, currently trading at 0005. So it looks like it dropped off a little bit since Friday. Yeah. Wait, hold on a second. No, my bad. Yeah, so it's dropped off a little bit since his pick, but that's okay because, again, we've talked about this with a few of these videos here. As many of you guys know, feel free to participate in the chat on the live stream, investorshangout.com/live. I'm working on different things for mobile. I see a lot of people are on right now from a mobile device. Roughly 70% of the people that are on right now are from a mobile device. Real quick stat. I might have to change around stuff. I wonder if I can get just audio to stream audio for you. Make it an option, so it's like a radio feature, so where you can just listen to audio on your phone, so you can minimize it and you can just listen to it if you like. So I'm going to keep that in mind. Right now, I have mobile devices forwarding you to the live site, so you're actually seeing the live chat from a mobile device. I had to do that because I was having a little bit of problem with HTML5. I'm just giving you guys a quick rundown so you know why it's set up like that. So if you're on a mobile device, you are seeing the chat. On the right side of the video, you're actually seeing the desktop site, but if you try to leave that page, click on a link, it's going to open that up into the mobile device screen. So any feedback on the live stream, we'd appreciate it very much for sure. You can just post in the chat. You go down to the bottom to the contact us. If you have any suggestions, we are open to it. Me and Joe are working on a few things in the background.
What about the other suggestion too?
Yeah, we'll talk about that.
To do live streams possibly.
Yeah, we'll talk about that after this one. So I'm going to jump into GMNI for everybody that's going to be watching this video later and wants to learn a little bit about it. So GMNI, I'm looking right here at the. We've seen a lot of these, which is a good sign because a lot of these stocks are being picked by members on the site and the contest. And what we're seeing here is a lot of stocks that have potential because if they're picking them, they know something, they have a feeling, they know what the company does. They know way more than what me and Joe know about this. We're looking at a brief summary of the chart and the company information here. But what I like here, the volume isn't too bad. The volume's pretty steady. You had a few volume spikes over here about a month ago at 50 million. Not much movement in the price at that time, but everything is starting to tighten up. Jobham, I know that he seems to know what's going on with these charts here too. So what we're looking at here, I see these Bollinger Bands. I use them all the time. I'm using them now. Right here, look at all those simple day moving averages. Let me go ahead and pull that back here. Okay, there we go. Everything's really getting tight together. The simple day moving averages are like a twine. The Bollinger Bands, this one might be getting ready to rock and roll. So keep GMNI on your radar as far as the technical standpoint. Joe, if you'd like to add anything in, company details.
Let's see. Mac submitted that, and he wrote it's undervalued gem, L2O retail, no dilution, share structure small, 374 million, float confirmed on 11/27, unchanged. So that was that. I went over onto OTC markets. It's got the stop sign, but it's got no press releases since March 2nd, 2016. And at that time they did a corporate update actually, so maybe I should go into that. Why not? There's a progress report and corporate update. So what they do is they're based in Fort Worth, Texas. Gemini Group Global Corp is a publicly traded company focused on the development, marketing, and distribution of e-liquid, vaporizers, and mods in the rapidly growing e-cigarette and vaping sector. So over the last several months, Gemini has been very successful in executing its business strategy and building a strong foundation for the future growth in the vaping sector, stated Christopher N. Cox, CEO of Gemini Group. Not only have we continued to increase distribution of the Royal Vapor premium e-liquid line across Dallas, Fort Worth, and Houston areas, but we have also partnered with Royal Vapor to successfully launch our own exclusive bootleg elixir premium e-liquid, which is now available in 6 inspired flavors. So I mean, they haven't really had anything, since this right here.
Okay.
In March. So I mean, maybe they'll be coming out with some information, see how they're doing, a little follow up, and see what's up with their filings. Yeah,
Well,
get up to date on that as well.
yeah, real
I mean,
quick regarding this one, Joe, if you could do me a favor and make a quick note of this, I wrote it down too, so I don't forget after the video. You know, I usually after the video, you know, there's a lot of stuff that I have to do.
Yeah.
For a few hours to put everything in order after this live stream. But for GMNI, would you check the Friday price? Because here.
Okay.
So the close was 0005, but for some reason in my notes I have 001.
It says previous close 0005.
Yeah, but on here too,
Yeah.
on this chart it says 0005, and you got 0005 also. You see?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, so that is a correction. Mac picked us at 0005. We're gonna have to make some adjustments here. I got to find out why that price was picked there. So that is it for
What, on 0005? What do you mean?
the list that I sent you with all the
Yeah.
picks that we went over. Says 001. So I want to get to the bottom of that and find out why that said that.
Oh, I see. Okay. Well, maybe it opened. Let's see. Depending on when you pulled the numbers. See what it opened at. Opened at 0006.
Okay. So that's for GMNI. We're gonna move forward now. So made a mark in that. We'll take a look. So that is it for that one.